Hi there, welcome to the FixSoft YouTube channel. As you know, we can't download the official YouTube app directly from Microsoft. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop without using any emulator or downloading additional software. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for YouTube. Open the official YouTube website. Now, here you'll find the option to install YouTube app. Click on it, click install, and the app will start installing. Now, if we click the Start button, you'll see that the YouTube app has been installed successfully. Drag and drop it to your desktop for easy access, and if we open it, you'll see it's working perfectly. And that's it for today's video.